Hello friends, and welcome back to another video of us opening the Woolworths and Big W Bricks Home Edition. Let's get straight into it. I wonder what's in this one. I'm hoping it's going to be an animal or a person. Let's see. Let's have a look inside. Oh, I think I know what this is. Can you all guess? It's one we've had before. Empty it out. Oh, come out. All right, this one, oops, this one does not have any stickers. This one is the fruit bowl. So let's have a look. So this is the bowl here. It's the fruit bowl. What color is it? It's pretty white. And then we'll put a bunch of bananas in. And oops, and look at this beautiful pear. We'll pop the pear in. Whoopsie, geez, it's a bit slippery, this one. Put the pear in, and then what's this one called? It's a red apple. We pop the we put the apple in. Oopsie, my goodness, it's very slippery. What's going on? This is perfect for little fingers, not big fingers. And there we go. We've got our fruit bowl all set up. Amazing. So we'll take that and put it with the rest of them. And guess what? We've got another one to open, and this one feels, oh, there's multiple parts to this one. So let's have a look. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you guys first before I even look at it. You ready? Open it. You can have a look inside. Can you see that? I wonder what it is. Let's tip it out. Ooh! Oh! This is one we have not had before. This one is called, oh, they're calling it plants. This is a very interesting and pretty looking one. Look at that. Now let's turn it over. I didn't think, no, there are no stickers for this one. So these are just plants, and that's wonderful. Hey, let's put this together. All right, so what have we got here? We've got 2 green leaves, and we've got 1 yellow flower and 1 pink flower, and then we've got this blue thing. Okay, let's start. All right, it's asking us to put these together like this, I think. I think we put the pink flower here on this blue pot. Yeah, that looks good. The blue pot. And then over here, we put a leaf there. Oh my goodness. We put a leaf there. And then, oh no, it didn't stay. We put a leaf. Why isn't it staying? Oh, there we go. We put the leaf on there, and then we put another leaf on here. And what color are these leaves? Can you tell me? They're green. And look at this pretty flower. What color is that? Yellow. And we put that there. Does it go in? Yes, it does. So look what we've got. We've got the beautiful plants. Aren't they absolutely stunning? Let's have a better look. Oh, wow. Isn't that so pretty? It's lovely. And then look at this pink one in its own little blue flower pot. Wonderful. We'll put those up here with the others. I've got another packet here, but I'm not opening it in this video. I will open it in the next one. So what I need you to do is press the like button for this video, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, because that means you will get notified, or you'll get told of when I post my next video. And I'll see you in the next one.